put it? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Hey, Georgia, you like your snack?
Yes, okay. Don't you realize you're only getting seasoned crackers? That's the same thing!
Georgia, you thirsty? Get some water? Of course, it's so far away.
It's yummy water!
Georgia, have a drink. Nope. A little lower. Your mouth is a little lower, Georgia. Good girl. How's your snack?
What's your snack, Georgia?
Oh, you're too into the food, huh?
No, here's something. This is so funny!
Joe, there's a napkin to your left. Wait, scoop it out. Wipe the face.
You're only eating the crackers. Like your snack, Georgia? I thought John was gonna eat the I thought John was gonna eat the food and Georgia was just gonna watch.